And when the wind hits the prayer and the prayer will spread and it touches your body. That's where you get liberated. That's the belief in Buddhism.
Beautiful. I love the idea.
Yeah.
The setting going through there on the motorcycle was out of a storybook. They talk about Bhutan being the real Shangri-La. That's what I was thinking of. These were my father's words as he sat almost breathless on his motorcycle moments after we completed the first leg of today's ride from Punakha to Phobjikha Valley. For over 65 kilometers, we snaked along a single-lane asphalt road, hugging the mountainside as we climbed more than 2,000 meters to Lawala Pass. From there, we bounced down gravel switchbacks as we descended through forests of silver pine and beams of sunlight into Gangte, a rolling valley of barley and buckwheat, fluttering prayer flags, and the home of the black-necked crane.
We're on a 180-meter suspension bridge, actually a pedestrian bridge. We're just outside of the little town of Punakha in the Kingdom of Bhutan.
Myoho Renge Kyo Hobe Podani Niji Zaysan Jusan Mayan Joni Gingo Jaril Jobu Ji Jen Jen Mario Go Ji Manang Nanyo Heza Showman Yakaji Buzo Ji Joey Shaka but those in John Nagasan Man Nagamojo Jo but the Dinyo Jo was a Mario Doho Kim Yo Jen Yo Fu Man Jo Jen then me so Wu so Ki Jo so the way Jo Nangai Jo as go Jo Yera Juju Inan Juju He You Go A Kang Yo Mojo Ho Man and Jo
The setting going through there on the motorcycles was like out of a storybook. They talk about Bhutan being the real Shangri-La. That ride through there, that's what I was thinking of going through there. But that was an amazing ride. I would say the best motorcycle road I've ever been on.
I don't know how it could get any better than this, but
heading to Gomte, Phobjikha Valley. It's a very beautiful valley. I'm sure you'll love it. There's no electrical poles. You see everything is underground so that the cranes do not get disturbed. So there's no fencing, there's no electrical wires, so they don't get tangled up in the fence or electric wires. So it's like the open valley and there's no distractions. And it's breathtaking, the view. It's lovely.
Tomorrow's a new day and a new two-wheeled adventure as we continue our search for motorcycle nirvana.